How to get rid of allergic rhinitis home remedies. What is allergic rhinitis? There are a lot of good things to look forward to once the winter approaches. But if you are allergic to any of the environmental allergens, then you need to be careful because the most common ailments that we come across allergic rhinitis. Allergic rhinitis is commonly known as hay fever. It is a common respiratory illness that affects the quality of life, productivity and other comorbid conditions including asthma. It is an immunoglobulin E-mediated disease. It is caused by hypersensitivity reaction where the patient is allergic to irritants such as dust, pollen, smoke, pollution. It can affect any age group in children as well as adults. Allergic rhinitis is commonly associated with symptoms of asthma and eczema. Your immune system typically responds to the harmless substance which acts as an intruder. This is called the allergen. The immune system responds to the allergen by releasing histamine and chemical mediators that typically cause symptoms of nose, mouth, throat, eyes and ears. Internally it will be due to lower immunity which can cause a problem because of which reoccurrence and relapse are quite common. You have an allergy when the body overreacts to some allergen which may be normal for others. To subside this from root cause is essential. Taking some precaution like avoidance of allergen is essential. Causes of allergic rhinitis. Genetic. It may have a genetic link as it is an allergy which tends to run in families. Rhinitis runs in families as the condition is passed from parents to children. Low immunity. Patients with low immunity are more prone to this allergy which can lead to reoccurrence and relapse. Airborne allergens. Dust mite pollen spores and animal skin, fur. Pollens. Trees, grasses, weeds. Molds. Cockroach droppings. Seasonal changes. Any kind of changes in the season like cold weather may trigger the cause of allergic rhinitis. 10 symptoms of allergic rhinitis. Runny nose. Watery fluent coryza, cold. Frequent cough which may be dry or productive. Continuous sneezing. Itchy nose. Congested nose. Watery eyes. Stoppage of nose. Anosmia, loss of smell. Snoring. Some of these symptoms are similar to infection like cold or flu. However, allergy symptoms tend to persist until they are treated regularly. The duration and the periodicity of attack may vary from person to person. Some people may experience it continuously due to dust allergy and some people may experience a flare upon exposure to irritant as well. Precautions need to take regularly to avoid the allergy. Symptoms may be mild to moderate to severe depending on the intensity of the attack and the exposure to the environmental allergens. Some people might have it continuous throughout the year and for some people it is seasonal. 10 complications of allergic rhinitis. Sleep disturbance. Daytime tiredness. Headache. Poor concentration. Recurrent sinus infection. Recurrent infection of the throat. Recurrent ear infection. Asthma which is more difficult to control. Breathing through mouth. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. 20 essential steps to follow to get rid of the allergic rhinitis home remedies. 1. Filter the air. Cover air conditioning vents with cheesecloth will help to trap the pollen. Keeping windows closed in high pollen season. Use HEPA or high-efficiency particulate air filters and keep them clean. Hire someone to clean out the air ducts well once a year and take care of your nasal passages. 2. Washing your hands after petting animals. If you have pets, consider them keeping outside. Animal dander and saliva are common causes of allergies. 3. Using dust and mite-proof bedding and mattress. 4. Wearing glasses outside to protect eyes. 5. Showering before bed to wash off allergens from hair and skin. 6. Avoid aerosol sprays. 7. Avoid cold temperatures. Avoid cold winds and breezes which may tend to aggravate the problem in the long run. 8. Air pollution. It can be a major cause of allergy because of polluted air. Polluted air will tend to irritate the nasal passages making you difficult to breathe. Take in fresh clean air. 9. Avoid tobacco smoke. Avoid cigarette smoking and passive smoking, which can affect your nasal passages and won't allow you to recover from the allergic rhinitis. 10. Irritating fumes. Irritating industrial pollutants can be hazardous for your lungs and respiratory tract in the long run. 11. Humidity. Keep humidity in your home below 50%. 12. Drinking herbal tea. Take warm drinks made of ginkgo and milk thistle with herbal teas, which can soothe the nasal passages. 13. Wear a mask. If you want to avoid the dust and animal dander while working in the yard or commuting to work, wear a mask. 14. Eat healthily. A well-balanced diet is key to keep your immunity strong. So eat well and healthy food. Avoid junk and outside food. 15. Rinse it out. It is essential to rinse out the mucus from the nose, which will clear the airway passage and allow you to breathe well. Mix 3 tablespoons of iodide salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 8 ounces of distilled or boiled cooled water and rinse the mucus out of nose well. 16. Steam inhalation. Take steam inhalation from boiling water, which will help you instead of taking intranasal sprays. 17. Go natural and go chemical free. Avoid dust and keep home clean as well as away from chemicals. 18. Consider acupuncture. Go for ancient practices which provide relief. Talk to the doctor and give it a try. 19. Know your allergens. Make an appointment with the allergist, who will help you track your allergens and the causes to which your body reacts. Track the record of allergens. 20. Vitamin C supplements. Taking a vitamin C supplement with a general multivitamin will help in overall immunity of the individual and provide long-lasting relief.